Hello everybody, welcome in. Today I want to show you guys how to do some better subtitles on Premiere Pro. The reason I love Premiere Pro is because if we come up here to the text tab, if you don't see the text tab, you will need to go to Window and Text right here. The reason I love Premiere Pro is it automatically transcribes my videos for me. So here we go. Transcription is done. And now we have the transcription, and if we hit this button right here or go to captions, we can go ahead and create some captions automatically. If you expand the options, we do have options for the format, the style, the length of the characters. We also have duration and minimum seconds. And we have the gap between captions as frames. You can also do single line or double line and create the captions. This is going to automatically create the captions for you. And as you can see down here, they're not in the most ideal position. So you're going to come over here to Essential Graphics. And now we can go ahead and change things like the font and the positioning of our closed captionings or our subtitles right there. We can also change the color of the font. So let's say we choose this and right there, and even the border of that. So now we have our subtitles. Let's check them out. Yo, hello everybody, welcome in. We are going to be doing an entire series here on YouTube for Mechanism in 1.19. So as you see, the subtitles are very good. They are perfect just like this. However, with Premiere Pro now, we can also select all of those. We can go to Graphics and Titles and upgrade captions to graphic. Now, what this is going to let us do is apply transitions to our subtitles, which are done automatically for us through Premiere Pro. Now, there is an option here to come through and look at the text if you want to change it. But obviously now that it's down here for this, we can't do that, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So what you're going to do is come up here to Effects, and we're going to go to the video transitions because these are videos. And let's say that we do a cross zoom on in, and we have a whip on out. Oops. A whip on out. And again, another cross zoom on in and a whip on out. Now let's look at the transitions between all the text. Yo, hello everybody, welcome in. We are going, so a lot more lively as you just saw, and very nice, easy way to do it. Now, if the transcription is still wrong, you didn't correct everything, you can also just double click on any one of these and it should pull up this in the graphics tab for the text. And now you can see right here, we have the option to come in here and edit the text. And that is beautiful. That's one of the best things that I found so far for this. So if this has helped you guys out at all, please let me know down in the comments below. And I appreciate you stopping in. Have a good day. Bye-bye.